Hi, I'm Donna Carlson. I'm a new author. I just published a new book, and I recently took Suzanne's Be a Better Speaker workshop because I had a speaking engagement where I failed to capture the audience right immediately when I started. And I left the stage saying, okay, I've had a lot of experience speaking, but I need to come up with a much better strategy for engaging the audience. So my key learnings are number one, ditch the notes, engage with the audience, respond to them and pay attention to them, and make it interactive. Ask questions that have them raising their hands so that they don't feel like they're being talked at the whole time. Those were just really amazing key learnings for me that you would think that I would know because I've been speaking for a long time, but I just needed to improve my approach. What would I implement first after learning this? I already have had several opportunities to be in front of audiences for a short period of time. And I always now start by asking them a question, getting a response, and then getting them to affirmatively reply when I say, would you like some help solving that? And it's been really good. I get a lot of smiles, I get a lot of engagement from the audience. So I would tell others, even if you're an experienced speaker, there are ways that you can really be more successful in engaging your audience by sitting down in Suzanne's workshop and learning how to be a better speaker.